Hi folks, Vin Wells here with rockbottomlasers.com. What I'm featuring today is a 2014 Cutera Excel V 532 1064 nanometer laser. It's in excellent cosmetic and operating condition. It was recently serviced and inspected. We do have a service report available for you if you request that. It does include all the original accessories, the key, Footswitch, operator manual, eyewear, patient eyewear, handpiece itself. We also include our 90-day warranty that includes parts, labor, and travel on it. And the Excel V laser is really a great laser for treating vascular conditions. It treats rosacea, spider veins, telangiectasias, pigment and lesions, including sunspots, and it uses a high-powered green laser light to target the abnormal blood vessels and pigment in the skin. And so it's really ideal for this. So people, then, if you have a lot of patients in your practice that are really affected by it, and IPL does not seem to be doing the trick, this is a good alternative for those patients. And it gets rid of all of the blood vessels, the dyschromia, discoloration, the lesions and it can treat both face and legs. So I would recommend, if you're interested, to take a look at it. Thank you. Bye.